You ever collapse so deeply that when you finally rise again, you don't feel like the same person? Your taste shift, your friendship feel different, your goal don't match your old identity, and suddenly you are wondering, who am I now? Who am I now? A client once said, Coach, I think I outgrew myself. I smiled and said, Good, collapse did not destroy you, it reshaped you. Breakdown erased the identity built on fear. So breakthrough can build the identity built on truth. Let's try some practice. Hand on chest, inhale 4 count, exhale 6 count, and then whisper, relax, calm, peace. I welcome the new me. Just comment your 3 word identity signal, then catch the full transformation on YouTube Soul Voice Energy. If you want remote session, contact me anytime. My WhatsApp number is on video description. There's a moment after collapse that feel like standing in quiet hallway between two versions of yourself. The old you is gone. The new you has not fully arrived. And this space, this empty, confusing, quiet space is where identity is written. And this space, this empty, confusing, quiet space is where identity is rewritten. Collapse did not break you. It stripped everything you were never meant to cry. Now the question is, who are you becoming without the wage? Let's do some practice again. Hand on chest. Inhale 4 count. Exhale 6 count. And say inside, relax, calm, peace. And then ask yourself gently, who I who am I when I'm not surviving? Who am I when I'm not surviving? If your body tightened, it means this identity is still new to you. That's okay. Every rebirth feels unfamiliar at first. The person you become after collapse is the person you were always meant to be, but could not access because survival kept editing your identity. Your collapse removed people who drain your energy, responsibility that were not yours, dreams you outgrow, version of you that live in fear, identities built on trauma, not truth. Collapse did not take things away. Collapse took illusion away. There was a chapter in my life where I felt like everything stopped working at once. My energy, my clarity, my patience, everything collapsed. But when I came back, I did not come back as the old me. I came back with a new voice, new boundaries, new calling, new level of peace. It felt like waking up inside a second life that was always waiting for me. Collapse was not an ending, it was reboot. You ever look at your old self and think, who approved this version of me? That's the beauty of collapse. It revoked the old identity license. Identity after collapse does not came from the mind. It came from the frequency you know embody. Identity after collapse doesn't came from the mind. It come from the frequency you know embody. When survival ends, your true essence finally rise. Your soul voice become louder. Your intuition become clearer. Your boundaries become stronger. Your truth becomes non-negotiable. Your energy becomes clean. This is not self-improvement. This is self-revelation. On video 73, Tao collapse is preparation. On video 74, teach you identity. It's rebirth after collapse. On video 75, will teach you action. Is the world meeting the new you? Clearing first and then becoming and then expressing. This is the architecture of rebirth. After one biggest collapses, I tried returning to my old goals, but something fell off. The goals were not wrong. They were too small. It was failing the goal. I had outgrown them. Something the hardest part. Sometimes the hardest part is accepting the identity that set this goal no longer exists. Your collapse upgraded you to a version who dreamed differently. Identity after collapse is shaped by what your nervous system now allow, what your soul refuses to tolerate, what your heart finally admit, what your heart finally admit, what your energy can sustain, what your calling can no longer silence. This is not change. This is emergence. Just sit comfortably, hand on chest, inhale 4 count, exhale 6 count. Again, inhale 4 count, exhale 6 count. Again, inhale 4 count, exhale 6 count. Again, inhale 4 count, exhale 6 count. Just whisper slowly. Relax, calm, peace. I welcome the new me. I trust who I'm becoming. Now visualize the old identity shedding like dust. And underneath, a version of you standing taller, clearer, more grounded, more aligned. Just say your soul life. My identity grow where my soul feels safe. And then let your body absorb the truth of who you are becoming. There was a moment when I realized, there was a moment where I realized I don't like the thing I used to like. Not because something was wrong, but because my identity had moved on. A new peace, new preference, new desire, new boundaries, new voice. You don't lose yourself. You rediscover who you were always meant to be. Collapse cleans the lens. Identity after collapse saw the world through new eyes. You are not here to become the old you again. You are here to become the trust you. For the first time, you are not here to become the old you again. You are here to become the trust you. For the first time, the truest you show up. Say this slowly inside. I don't return to who I was. I honor who I am becoming. I trust my post-collapse identity. Just comment your three-word identity signal below. If you're on remote session, contact me anytime. My WhatsApp number is on video description. Soul voice energy, notice first, believe later. Your body become the new identity before your mind understand you have changed. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.